If your iPhone volume buttons are not working, don't worry, this is a common issue and usually fixable. So first of all, check the basics, case or cover. Remove your phone case, sometimes it blocks the buttons. Before trying advanced fixes, confirm this simple step. Then open the settings app on your mobile device. Once in there, scroll down and tap on the sound and haptics or just sounds and make sure that change with buttons is turned on. This allows the physical buttons to control your ringer and media volume. Once you do so, simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen or up from bottom on the older models. Then adjust the volume slider there. If the slider works but button don't, it is likely a hardware or setting issues. Then go back and simply tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, all you have to do is tap on the software update option available. Then make sure that you install any available update. A glitch iOS update can sometimes cause button issues. Then go back to the general and scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.